I really feel like it's about getting that opportunity to live life by design. I feel, we're structured in a certain way, like one vacation a year, you get to do, kind of one big event every now and then. And then realizing that there's only, 18 summers with your kids before they kind of go and do their own thing, I didn't feel like that was enough. So I like what I do because not only do I get to live the life that I want and what I continue to strive for, but I also get to empower others to kind of go down that similar path. I think it's more about relatability. So what I mean by that is I love working with engineers, and they're one of a few markets that I really enjoy diving deep into. But I also went to school for engineering for about 3 years. So I feel like I understand the way they think. I feel like I'm on top of the questions that they're going to ask and what kind of answer and how they want me to answer to really help educate them more. So I really feel like it's the relatability aspect of it. Like I feel I understand what they're going to talk about, so I can help educate them a little bit better. Oftentimes I get this answer in a meeting where I'm going to wait to save until this happens. Maybe it's I'm going to wait till I'm married. I'm going to wait till I buy a house. But I wish more people knew like something small or a small action now is so much greater than action later or inaction right now. So really just, even if it's minuscule, taking those small steps right away, because life is always going to continue to happen, right? You get married, buy that house, you're going to have kids, like life is going to continue to be crazy. It's just taking that small action and then you can expand on it later, right? We're going to continue to have events go on, but that it's going to make you so much more thankful later on that you took that action. You don't have to live with regret later on because it's like, man, I wish I would have did this when I'm younger. I really feel like it ties back to why do I do what I do, right? Wanting to live my life by my design. And what better place to come and do it than people who are in the industry, coaches who are familiar with the industry, like living their life that way, right? Having that design, having that intention, but also the implementation of it. Like, so just getting that opportunity to grow with others, people who are already doing those similar things. We're always going to have takeaways from others. Even if we're in a great situation, there's always that one little piece that we can take away. And I feel like we got a lot of those things this week.